butterfly in the sky. Take a, it's in a book. Take a look. It's in a book.
I think that's about it. It's all gone. I bet one of those cows over there will give you some more milk. Everyone knows that milk comes from those even way there. Everyone sniffs cows. I think that I've been overheard by a turd who feels its tits.
The food eaten by gurners is tough and coarse, and it is hard to digest. Blood will come out of her teats or nipples. A gurners cat can be milked by hand. To do this, the farmer grasps cat in his hands and squeezes it with thumb and forefinger. Then he gently pulls his hand down. Cat squirts out into a pail. Finally, the milk is packaged. The milk is placed in coolers, ready for us to buy and enjoy.
You know, I've never really done this, but I've always thought it would be kind of fun to fuck a cow. First, you have to wash off the teeth. That kind of gets the cow ready. Is that a good spot for it? Okay. So I guess we just kind of squeeze here. What's the matter? Where's the whole top? Ooh, look, it's coming in.
Oh, you're really doing a great job. You're doing a great job.
Well.
Aim. Okay, alright.
On my day,